Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to discuss our lesson that's name is 20 minutes with Mrs. O'Kentum. This drama is written by Frank Arthur. In this drama we will come to know about different situations of the characters and how this drama proceed further. First of all, this is one of the pieces written by Frank Arthur, and this is very short drama, and that's why literary person they call this drama this drama comes in the form of melodrama. Now you have confusion in your mind that what is melodrama. So first, melodrama is only based on suspense, is based on revenge, is based on pity ending, where there is so much excitement, just like you have seen so many serials on TV. So there is suspense is created by the directors, created by the producers in order to continue the story. Okay, and the people they wanted to they wanted to watch the next serial or next episode. In this way, the suspense is created by the Frank Arthur, and this whole drama revolves around revenge, जिसको हम बदला कहते हैं, जिसको हम इंतकाम कहते हैं, कि एक किसी जो है किसी को मर्डरर है, कोई किलर है, उससे बदला लेने के लिए जो है वो एक जो है हीरो है वो अपना पूरे जो ड्रामा के अंदर कैसे रिवेंज लेता है. नंबर थर्ड इज़ पिटी एंडिंग, जहाँ पे वेयर द मीन्स सो मैनी पिटी इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय द राइटर, मीन्स जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा जो है रहम आ जाए कैरेक्टर के ऊपर और लोग जो है वो मीन्स एक पिटी फील करें, एक बहुत रहम फील करें उसके ऊपर. सो नेक्स्ट, this is the definition of melodrama. Next one, scene. Scene is a background of the play, or we can say scene, a place where scene is picturized, means the background of the drama. The background of the drama is the railway waiting room and the stormy winter evening. जो पिक्चराइज्ड किया गया है, जो सीन को या ड्रामा को, या जो लोकेशन दी गई है, जो बैकग्राउंड बताया गया है, दैट इज़ द रेलवे वेटिंग रूम, वेयर पर्सन्स दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रेन, एंड दिस ड्रामा, दिस स्टोरी इज स्टार्टेड विद द रेलवे वेटिंग रूम. अ लेडी इज़ वेटिंग ओवर देयर एंड द ट्रेन इज़ लेट फॉर 20 minutes. As you can see from the title of the lesson that there is 20 minutes. So how these 20 minutes are completed by the lady, and what she were doing in these 20 minutes, that is she is only waiting in the railway room and she is waiting for her train. She wanted to go to Stanthorpe, and why train is late? Because there is stormy winter evening, means there is the weather, bad weather is there, so people they are unable to travel, and the trains they are very much late because of certain reasons. That's why she is informed by the coolie, by a character that is present in the railway station, and he is saying that train is a bit late for 20 minutes and she has to stay over there. She has to wait for 20 minutes. The weather is clear, then train will arrive. And third one, characters. Characters are very much important, and in this drama, in this lesson, you will come to know there are three characters. One is he, second one is Judy Ockentub, and third one is Porter. He is male character, just like hero of the drama. Second one is Judy Ockentub. She is killer or murderer. She murders two pedestrians, two people. They were walking on the pavement, and she was driving very fast in a drunken state to reach over the Stanthorpe coast. That's why she came to meet with the blind corner of the road, and all of a sudden there is an accident, and two ladies, they were killed by her, and she drive very fast. She eloped, she escaped from that place, and she never returned back. In this way, she counted as a killer or murderer. And third one is Porter. Porter is an additional character, and Porter is humorous character. And he is coolie, and he is carrying the luggage of the people. They are arriving, they are departing from the railway station, and he is the facilitator. एक छोटा सा कैरेक्टर है पोर्टर, जो आप कह सकते हैं कि जो ह्यूमरस कैरेक्टर है, जो एंड करता है बोर्डम को, या जो है हम जब ये, क्योंकि ये दोनों कैरेक्टर ही एंड जूडी ओकेंटब, ये दोनों सीरियस कैरेक्टर हैं जिनकी जो है कन्वर्सेशन होती है 20 मिनट्स के अंदर, और दोनों जो है वेट कर रहे हैं ट्रेन का। उसके साथ साथ पोर्टर जो है वो एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो अननोन है, स्ट्रेंजर है दोनों के लिए, मगर वो फैसिलिटेट करता है, उनको बताता है कि ट्रेन अभी आने वाली, 5 मिनट लेट है, 10 मिनट लेट है या 20 मिनट लेट है। और ह्यूमरस कैरेक्टर इस हवाले से इसको कह सकते हैं क्योंकि इन द वेटिंग रूम देयर इज़ लेडी एंड अ पर्सन इज़ अ मेल कैरेक्टर, बोथ आर प्रेजेंट इन द सेम वेटिंग एरिया, in the same waiting room, and they are waiting for the train, for the same train. That's why he is feeling very much happy over there, and he wanted to amuse them, he wanted to please them, and he wanted to spare some moments with them. In this way he is a character that ends the boredom of the readers, क्योंकि ये दोनों जो है वो एक स्ट्रेंजर बंदे से हम जब बात करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है कि हम उससे बहुत पोलाइटली बात करते हैं, सीरियसनेस होती है, हम कभी उससे जो है वो ज़्यादा फ्रैंक और फ्री जो है वो बात नहीं करते। तो ये दोनों जो है बड़े पोलाइट और बड़े फॉर्मल तरीके से बात करते हैं, तो उसके हवाले से पोर्टर जो है उनको जो है कुछ ना कुछ प्लीज़ करने के लिए, एंटरटेन करने के लिए जो है वो करता है। नाउ ऑल इज़ क्लियर टू यू। So now first of all we have to discuss about the character of Judy Ockentub. Before reading the text or dialogues of the play, we have to डिस्कस अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स। जब तक आपको कैरेक्टर्स का पता नहीं होगा, यू विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी, यू विल नेवर come to know that who is the killer, who is the murderer, who is the villain, who is the hero of the play. So in this way we have to discuss Judy Ockentub what, how she looks like, what is her attitude or manner, how she become a killer from a common person, and how she survived in the society. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस. फिजिकल अपीयरेंस that is also written in the book. So physical appearance means whether she is tall, she is means very much means have a glowing face, and she is very much beautiful. So certain definitions we have to know about the Judeo-Canto. First of all, she is middle-aged woman. She is not a very old one, she is not very much young one, she is a middle age, दरमियानी एज है, जिसको हम आप कह सकते हैं कि शी इज़ जस्ट लाइक 30 और इन बिटवीन 40. सो इन दिस वे शी इज़ मिडल एज लेडी, एंड शी वांटेड टू लिव हर लाइफ वेरी हैप्पीली. शी वांटेड टू entertain herself in the company of friends. She wanted to have parties with friends, and she is having lot of means happy or luxurious life she is spending right now. And she is wife of wealthy merchant, means she is not a means you can say she is rich lady, because those persons can enjoy their life fullest, they have money. So in this way she is very much fortunate, she is very much lucky that she is a lady, she is a rich lady, she is a wife of a wealthy merchant, and in this way she is living her life very much happy. Third one, she has brown mouth, brown hair. ओके, इसके बाल जो थे दैट इज़ वेरी मच ब्राउनिश वन, एंड शी इज़ जस्ट लाइक लुकिंग ए फैशनेबल लेडी. शी always maintains her personality in front of others. She is caring about her social status in the society. That's why she always have balanced personality in life, and she is speaking very slowly. Her speech pitch you can say is very much low, very much down, means she is very much humble. She is looks like an innocent lady. She is speaking politely and normally with the people. बहुत आस्था बात करती थी, या बहुत जो है वो आराम से बात करती थी, जल्दबाजी में किसी को जो है वो जवाब नहीं देती थी. ये इसका एक जो है एक कैरेक्टर में एक जो है ये पार्ट भी है उसकी पर्सनालिटी का. एंड शी इज़ वेरी मच हैप्पी in her life. All of a sudden an incident took place in her life and her life ruined. इसकी लाइफ के अंदर एक टर्निंग पॉइंट आई, एक ऐसी लाइफ के अंदर एक ऐसी चीज़ आ गई, एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो गया अचानक से कि इसकी पूरी लाइफ चेंज हो गई. इसकी पूरी लाइफ की जो जीने का अंदाज़ था वो तब्दील हो गया. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ we can say the incident that took place in her life, she is enjoying the cocktail parties with friends. She used to attending the cocktail parties arranged by or organized by her friends. Cocktail parties, you all are familiar, and I am clarifying you that cocktail parties where people they served by food and wine, and okay, so in this way means the people from rich community they gathered over there and they means organized cocktail parties, and she is one of the friends, and she is one of the attendants of the parties. And she is in a drunken state when she means we can say returning from the cocktail parties, and she has bet with friends. She has bet with friends that she has to cover Stanthorpe cross to coast in 50 minutes. Okay, thank you. If you have any confusion, any question regarding this character, you may ask through Zoom, and inshallah we will discuss our next character in next video. Thank you.